Hi everyone, this is Corey Spooner from the Kitchen Table CEO, and in this video I'm going to show you how to embed a video into your website. So just to give you a quick background on me, I have worked as an information technology professional in the corporate world for over 15 years, and within the last year I have gotten into internet marketing. And I'm currently promoting a product called Digital Altitude, and it's making a lot of money with very limited effort. So perhaps you are viewing this video because you are also promoting a product or you're doing internet marketing yourself. And having control over the way a video displays in your website is very important. So today we're going to be editing and embedding a snippet of code from YouTube. And this method is really easy, and you'll see that by the end of this short video that you're going to be an expert on this technique. So here we go. So let's assume, for argument's sake, that you have already recorded your video. And we can get into, I'll create other videos where I'll show you how to record videos. But let's say for argument's sake right now you've already recorded your video. So the first thing you want to do is go into your YouTube account and click on upload. So you're going to upload your video into YouTube. So you drag and drop your file into here, and it's going to take a few minutes to upload. Now once your video is uploaded, all you need to do is just go into your video, and then right underneath it you'll see that you have the video manager. So click on video manager, and then click on edit next to the video that you just uploaded. Okay, great. Now you can give it a title, and I'll show you why this is important in a second. But what we're focusing on today is the advanced settings, so click on advanced settings, and then just ensure that allow embedding is checked off. And if it's not checked off, place a check mark next to it and then click the Save Changes button. So once you have that done, now you're able to embed a video. So then all you need to do to grab the embed code is to go into the video.
Hi everyone.
And then click the share button and then select embed. Now this is your embed code. Now the reason we're going to embed a video as opposed to uploading it to a website is because a lot of times you're not allowed to upload large files into your website. It won't accept files that are larger than, let's say, 64 megs. And sometimes these videos could be 10-15 minutes long, and it's going to be a lot bigger than 64 megs. This is why you want to embed the video, so that you're not actually storing the video on the website, but you're having the website call the video from YouTube where you are storing it. All right, so I'm going to grab the embed code, and I already have it pasted. Actually, you know what? Here's what I'm going to do. We're going to paste the embed code right here. Now, if I want to do nothing to my video, all I need to do is just grab that code and paste it into my website that's asking me for my embed code, and I will show you that in a second. But what I want to do is I want to make some edits to it. I want to use these particular switches. Now, there's several switches that you can use to control the way the video displays on the website. But the four that I like to use are these four switches right here. Related, autoplay, controls, and show info. So what related does is when a video stops playing in YouTube, it comes up with all these other videos that are similar in content. I certainly don't want to do that, because if you're doing internet marketing, you may have just gotten somebody to opt into your sales funnel, and now you're showing them, for example, a thank you page where you're saying, hey, I'm introducing myself, thank you for opting in, and I'm going to be sending you some information. The last thing in the world I'd ever want to do is when that video stops playing, is for it to show somebody else's content where they can now click on that video from my thank you page and then go to somebody else's sales funnel and then potentially give that other person a sale. The whole point is that I get the sale. So I want to turn off all that related content, so when the video is done playing, it doesn't show any other videos that are related. Another thing that I like to do is autoplay the video, so that the person that has just opted into my sales funnel doesn't have to press the play button. The video will just start playing on its own. Another thing that I like to do is remove the controls from the video. So when the video is playing, I don't want to allow the person that has just opted into my sales funnel to be able to fast forward and skip through the whole video. I want them to listen to everything that I have to say. And lastly, and not quite as important, but I think it makes it look a little bit cleaner, I just don't want all this wording to show on the video, so I shut off the show info, which removes the title from the video. So here's how you use these controls, and here's how you insert them into your controls, into your code. So right in front of the quotation marks, I'm going to put a question mark, and then all I need to do is then put in my switches. So I'm going to shut off the related videos by putting an REL equals 0. And it's just binary code. 0 turns it off, 1 turns it on. So now I've just shut off the related videos in the code. And if I want to add another switch, you separate them with an ampersand, no spaces or anything, just ampersand, and now I'm going to type in autoplay equals 1. So now I've turned on the autoplay. I'm going to add another switch, ampersand, controls equals 0, so I've turned off the controls, and then add the last one, ampersand, show info equals 0. So now I've turned that off as well. And just to show you that there are several other switches that you can put into your embed code, you can go to this website, developers.google.com/YouTube/player_parameters, and you can see there are all these other switches that you could put in there. For example, let's say I wanted to loop my video over and over again. When it gets to the end, just restart the video over and over again. I could put in ampersand loop equals 0, and then the video will do that. But I'm not going to use that here. I'm just going to use these 4 controls. So now that I have my code edited, and just to clarify, I started putting the code by right in front of the quotation marks, and I put the question mark and then all of my switches. Make sure that your quotes end off right after your last switch. So that's where the quotes go, right after the 0, or if you're turning it on, a 1 in the last switch that you put in there. So now I'm going to grab the entire embed code. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to put it into the website that's asking me for it. Now, I use a website called Lead Pages. Lead Pages is a great tool for creating capture pages and thank you pages and integrating it with an autoresponder. And I will do a future video that shows you exactly how to build a sales funnel. But for this purposes of these videos, I'm just going to show you what the embed code looks like. So here's how I embed the code using Lead Pages. And it's asking me for the embed code here. So no problem. I'm going to remove what's in there. Actually, you know what I'd like to do? I want to show you the difference. So let's do this. Let's remove all this stuff. I'm going to show you the differences in the video. So I'm going to make a copy of it, and I'm going to remove all of the coding that I just put in there. Right? And I'm going to put that into the embed code, and I'm going to show you what the video looks like, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like with the switches in there, and you're going to be able to see all the differences. So here's the vanilla code that I got out of YouTube. So I'm going to put that in there, save it, and now I'm going to view the page. So we go to view the page, and the first thing you'll notice is that the title is up here. This is the show info. It's not auto-playing. I actually have to press play. So now I'm going to press play. You'll notice that I have controls right here, so now I can skip through the video. And then the last thing is if I scroll to the very end of the video and hit play.
And I will respond.
Right?
All right, take care, and I'll see you on the inside.
So, and look at all this related content that comes up. So now, essentially, someone's on my thank you page after opting into my sales funnel, and now they can just click on this and then go into somebody else's content, and then, they kind of get away from what I was trying to do. So I want to turn all that off. So that's what it looks like with the vanilla code. And if I take all of my switches, copy, and then I'm going to remove this, and then I'm going to paste it in here. This has all the switches in it. Looks like there's an extra line here. And hit done. Save this. Now we're going to view the page again. You'll notice
Hi everyone,
the
this
video
is Corey.
starts playing right away. There's no controls at the bottom, so they have to watch the video all the way through. There's no title up here. And I'm not going to make you sit through the entire video, but when the video stops playing, it'll just stay right on this page. It won't go to all the other related content. So that's it. So that's really the point, just to have control over your videos. It's very simple. If you're interested in learning more on the product that I'm promoting and making a lot of easy money, please visit my website, thekitchentableceo.com, and opt into my sales funnel, and I'll send you some additional information that will change your life like it did mine. Okay, take care for now, and I will see you in future videos.